Hello everyone, welcome to Think Smart. In this channel, I'll be uploading the videos based on NEET exam, okay, preparation as well as the strategy. Okay, let's begin. So don't forget to subscribe. So my strategy for NEET. So for physics, I understood the concept, okay, like by solving the old years papers. Like even you can apply for chemistry also. And chemistry, again, extra thing that I done that I learned the reactions, okay, from board exam, which I made notes during my examination. And third thing, for biology, I understood the topics, okay, first PUC as well as second PUC. And moreover, I saw the videos, okay, like about the concepts like cardiac system, etc things. And I want to say that make a short notes. I'll explain how to make the short notes. See here, I had made a trick for chemistry, amino acids, okay. They'll be asking which is a non-essential amino acid. So for you must know that which is essential. So for there is a trick I have mentioned, LLPV. LLPV means leucine, lysine, phenylalanine and valine. So which, if they ask which is non-essential amino acid, you can easily say except essential amino acid, non-essential, it may be aniline, okay. This much. So try to take more sleep and don't forget to much subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.